51 days in 2 different hospitals, 3 rounds of chemotherapy, and a stem cell transplant at the Dana-Farber Cancer Institute in Boston has rearranged my priorities. And it's time to let the Commando go. I bought it right after COVID, where the previous owner had done an off-frame rebuild and lift. I actually have a book that has photographs of that whole process. So this 1973 Jeep Commando is now destined for a new owner. All of my plans, again, rearranged with different priorities. And it's time for someone else to take that over. Runs good, stops good. I was going to do a disc brake conversion. I was going to do a fuel injection conversion. But again, new priorities. Straight 6, 3-speed manual. Nice, typical sloppy Jeep power steering. That was something else I was going to tackle. Was not a restoration, but definitely a rebuild and lift. The only issues I've ever had with it were a couple fuel system issues. They seem to have gone away. I have a new thermostat or sending unit to hook up to a new temperature gauge. Everyone's good? Stop's good and move drum brakes. So this 73 Jeep Commando is located in North Falmouth, Maine. And I'm at 17,000 firm. If you're interested, message me here on YouTube. My email address is sfoster.photography@gmail.com.